Around the globe, renewable energy use is on the rise, and endeavors are gathered to make it within our reach. The electrical engineering team here at the Islamic University has discussed the prospects of renewable energy in Gaza in a workshop put on the title Renewable Energy in Gaza and its Social Role.
In this workshop, we aim to target our students at the university and the schools, high schools especially, in particular female students, to raise their awareness about renewable energy and its uses in Gaza in particular. And this workshop is a part of a project called Making Energy for Palestine, which is supported by ABIR.
In one of the studies conducted to investigate the percent of Gazans' adoption to renewable energy in Gaza, the results show that there is a plummeting in using renewable energy at Gazans' homes due to the dropped level of incomes. A study finds out that there is only 26% out of 10% of employees at Al-Shifa hospitals uses solar energy in their houses. However, the local institutions have adopted solar energy in their buildings moderately.
Now we are installing several PV solar systems, depending on a diesel generator as a backup. The world vision in this type of PV solar systems is to arrive to 20% of traditional energy. Our vision here in the Islamic University is to arrive to around 50% of traditional energy in order to cover the hard severe of energy of outaging of electricity in Gaza Strip.